If you want to give it one shot, we can give it a little bit of a push. Lighten up on the gas a little bit. Alrighty guys, so we got a call for this Dodge 2500, and then we also got a recon call for a Chevy Traverse, so we're going to get these guys out of here. What's up, man?
Hey.
How's it going? Yeah, of course. What was your name again?
Michael.
Michael, John. Alrighty. I was gonna say it might be worth giving it a shot. Was it able to creep forward at all still?
I had given up on going forward. I was trying to go backwards, and it is creeping backwards, but I feel like I'm sinking faster than I'm going.
Right.
And I just didn't want to get too far gone.
No, that's fair. That's fair. If you want to give it one shot, you know, we don't mind trying to help. You could try and rock it forward. We could, you know, dig these little walls out that it makes, and you could try and get a shot going backwards and get back up in the lane.
How would you, if I'm trying to, is there a ramp that way? Question mark.
There is a ramp that way, but it is a ways down. It's probably like a mile or so.
So turning around, how would you have done this? Like,
if you get it moving, you would probably want to back straight up to right by the water where it's hard packed and 3-point, and then you can get your momentum going and get back up in the lane and get out of here.
All right, so I'd shoot almost right where that chair's at.
Yeah, basically. Basically. Yeah, give it a shot. Try and pull it forward a little bit. We can give it a little bit of a push.
All right, ready?
A little bit more. All right, that's good. All right, we're gonna try and give you a push from the front. All right, try to go back one more time. Easy on it, just a little bit. Moving. Lighten up on the gas a little bit. All right, let's rock it forward one more time. What we want to try and do, if you're going to get it moving, we got to get you forward like 5 feet or so and pack it down, and you got to get a little bit of momentum. That way you can bump on top. Okay. Go ahead. Because the back end's still up. That's pulling us. Wiggle that wheel a little bit. All right. Jeez, what kind of sand are we digging up?
Oh no, it's brown.
That's wild.
That's soil. You can plant, brother.
And there's like rocks in it.
Yeah.
All right.
You shall not pass!
Here we go. Oh, we moved so good at first.
Keep wiggling. Going slow.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, he's trying to get out of here, isn't he?
Yeah, he's gonna get down low and then turn around. Yep, perfect.
Keep it going.
That person needs to move.
Make a hard right. There we go.
Move, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Let's go.
Meanwhile,
I'm Mitch.
good to meet you, Mitch.
Want
John.
to be in the video?
Sure, why not?
All right. So you watch us on Instagram, huh?
Yeah. I'm back from Orlando.
We're humbly grateful, man.
Yeah, no,
Well,
you
thank
guys
you
are
so
awesome.
much.
All the rigs you guys have are totally
Yes,
cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
we love them.
Yeah, I told my girlfriend, I was like, that can't be that. You know, it can't be that. And then I saw the cool taco. I was like, yeah, I have to go out here and look and meet you
We
guys.
usually aren't even on this side of the beach.
Thank you so much, man.
Right?
How you doing, man?
I watch you stuff all the time.
Oh, man.
Marine veteran, right?
Yes, sir. Oh, that's awesome, man. Thank you so much, man. Jarhead. Hey, thank you for your service, too. Absolutely.
Anyways, gentlemen, I'll let you guys get back to work.
Yeah, man. We're just
Awesome.
checking.
Great to
I'm
meet
just
you, man.
watching
Nice to
these
meet you,
guys
man.
pull this out. They're doing it. They're doing a good job. Nice and easy. They're not on a tow hook. They're doing it all perfect. See, if they do it too fast, they end up pulling that front fairing out. He did it nice and slow. That's perfect.
Or if you go too fast, it's a ratchet strap. It could have break.
Yeah.
Under quick tension.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. Good job, man. Good driver.
For using the tools they got, that was good.
You probably still want to push a little bit when he gets done, just to get you off of the soft stuff.
This is a nice rig.
Muy bueno trabajo. Good job, partner.
This is
That's
nice
a beautiful
truck,
truck.
I see you guys on TikTok, man. I think I follow you guys.
Oh,
Really?
man, we appreciate it so much.
Thank you.
Y'all are famous on here.
Be blessed.
Nice truck, man.
Hey, we got you in video.
Don't be hating on them. They hate us.
We don't
No, we don't hate at all. No, we love.
Okay.
We love.
Alright.
We love volunteers. That's how I started.
Yeah,
So if
yeah.
someone's here to help and do it for,
I see
you know,
it's all love. He looked at us one time and that was it. All
Yeah,
love.
yeah.
We love our people. That's what we do.
yeah, and
how it
that's perfect. That's what we
Yes,
love.
yes.
You
That's
saw.
how it is down
I
here.
just wanted to see that he did it right, didn't break anything, and
I see
you good to go.
Gotta make sure everything's okay.
Put your camera this way. My God, put your camera this way. Put it on YouTube. Santo.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, buddy. You doing okay?
I am.
Good.
You're gonna be doing good in just a second.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Yeah, let me figure out what I want to do to get you out of here. It's a beautiful truck. We were driving up like that's a nice truck, man.
Thank you. She deep burnt, my boy.
Yeah. She's in there good.
Yeah.
We got you. All right. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get hooked up onto your control arms with kinetic rope, and I'm just gonna bop you up
Okay.
like a rabbit out the hole.
Okay.
Let me get set up. We'll get going. All right. Get our yankum stuff out so we can yank them. I guess I could clean this out a little bit, huh? Someday. I don't know, these decks just handle things so well.
Oh, yeah. You got all the gear in there.
Yes, sir. We're gonna do it. We got insurance. We're gonna make sure we do it right.
Always.
We got a little bit of a internet presence, YouTube and stuff. We record
Right.
what we're doing. You
Yeah. Y'all be on Facebook.
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah, y'all be on Facebook.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
You don't mind going on Facebook
Yeah,
with us?
Yeah, I'm gonna go on there.
Okay. All right, you go on there with you gonna go on there with us.
Give you a good review.
All right.
Yeah.
So Johnny's been getting some comments on control arms.
Huh?
He's talking to the video.
I'm talking to the video camera. So we'll have to see. Yeah, we might have to start talking to someone, because if you watch Matt's Off-Road Recovery or any of the other large off-road influencers, they're hooking up to the control arm all the time. So I've never heard any one of them say don't. And then I heard someone say don't hook up to the suspension. Well, obviously you don't hook up to the, you know, the sway bar or to the spring or to the tie rod, none of that stuff. But right here at the control arm, it's super strong, I'm telling you. We've only done about 1,000 of them in the last 6 years. So trust me, we have insurance. We wouldn't do it if we didn't know it was safe. We're doing it because we know what we're doing.
Look at my car. Look at my car.
All right, hop in. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I think I'll go have you in drive.
Okay.
All right, and then when I bump you, give it just a little bit of gas, not hot rod gas.
Right.
You're just kind of helping lift it up a little bit. And then when we get out, I'm gonna get out and pull this way.
Yes, sir.
When we get straight away out in the lane, we'll
Okay.
stop and unhook.
I'm gonna back up right there. So where you pull me at,
Yep.
I'll just back up.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pull you right. I'll pull you right in front of those guys going
Okay.
this way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
That's how it's done?
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir, my man. Yes, sir. Hey, I got the
Oh, wait, you gotta say that again for the camera. Hang on, come here. Say that again.
We're getting a Toyota tomorrow.
Oh,
YouTube,
Yeah.
hey,
Good to see you.
yeah, man, thank
follow
you.
all the time.
Oh, we appreciate the follow, man. We got you all over the world.
Yes, I've been seeing y'all do y'all thing. I'm like, hell yeah.
Thank you so much. You'll be
I was like, I gotta come over here. So
say hi to Christian. Say hi to the camera.
What's up, dog? I just told him about that right
Yeah,
now.
right.
You want a receipt or you good?
No, I'm good. I'm good, Pop.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I don't get you unhooked to get you out of here.
I appreciate you, man.
Be blessed,
appreciate
man.
that. Love,
Absolute
love,
much
baby.
love.
See you, babe.
Good to see you, man. Yeah, good to meet you. Good to meet you. We're humble. We're thankful for every follow. All the followers. Ugh. Oh, look at those control arms. My goodness, they're perfect. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't be sarcastic. All right, I'm pulling up out of the way, partner. You good? You got my card?
Yes, I do.
You need me later, you call me.
Yes, sir.
I got a couple of people to go get. I'll come back if you need me. Here we go, guys.
Subscribe to Santo, the best.
Subscribe to San